Hello guys, so today I'll be showing how I make my pot of learning my Akamu. First you need to put in a big bowl, wash properly for some minutes. After washing, take out the water, add more water for this I'm using the pot because I want to make now keeping it in my freezer for some time. And then after soaking for 4 days, I'm going to blend my Akamu. After blending it very smoothly, I'll pour it in a chiffon cloth and sieve with my hands. Make sure I use lots of water to sieve it so that all the Akamu can come out from it, leaving just the shaft. When all the Akamu is out, it's very easy to know. The shaft will be like this, look something like this. Yes, you can add more water to see if there's still a little bit of Akamu. It's okay to use so much water, and as you can see here, it's only the shaft that are here. After this, what I do next is I'm going to take out all the water, and then this is how it's gonna look like. Take out my chiffon cloth. After taking it off, I'll wait for a couple of minutes, and when my Akamu is ready, I'm going to take out all the water from the bowl, remaining the Akamu. Yeah, so this is me taking out all the water. As you can see, the Akamu is underneath the bowl. After taking out all the water, I'm going to place it in the mushing bag, and here it is. Yeah, I'm going to put it in a mushing bag now, and it's going to look something like this. I will hang it for a couple of minutes till all the water fully drains out, and my Akamu will look just like this. Yeah, this is the middle of the Akamu. This is just one part because I made two. I used 2 parts, like you can see at the beginning of the video, and I'm going to put in this bag and I'll store it in my freezer. This is the Akamu when it's done. I already mixed it with boiled water, and this is the picture of the Akamu. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.